we will learn how to make custom ROM in 2025 in this playlist. So the first part we will have to get a virtual machine and we will search Google Cloud Console VM. So now I will open this and you have to log in here and sign up and you will get $300 for free credit in your account. So I am getting and making a new project name. So today we will make Evolution X. So let me name it Evox. Here also I will take it Evox. Wait a minute. I just leave it. So I created a new project and now project is being created. So guys, project has been created and I will now switch to it. Yeah, there is Evox. Yeah, now we have to enable this compute engine API here. Enable billing. So guys, this is not enabling because of my internet connection, I guess. So I will just use old projects. This one. So as you can see, this will be enabled like this. And then you have to click on the three lines. Now compute engine and there you will get VM instances. Here you have to create instance. Click on create instance and you have to now name these. Let me name it Avox. Okay. Now choose this reason as you will get the minimum price here, monthly price, so that you don't have to use much credits for your machine. So I will just take US Central on Lova. As you can see, like here, we get the VM for $36, 36.41. Now here 25. So I will just take it. Now I will choose here compute optimized so that the process is faster. And here I will use what is this 32 gigabits of memory so that I have Qt C2D. Yeah, this will work. Yeah. Now Google have limited the specs for free trials, so we will just choose this one. 8 VCP 4 core 32 GB memory. Now we will have to go to OS and storage and change here, and we will use here Ubuntu. Just ignore the background noise. Here we will use 22 version because as of now I have heard that this is the best version to create custom ROMs. So I will take this x86-64. Okay, now balanced we have to choose standard because we don't have QTAG. You can also test it. You will get error. Now we will take 500 GB of memory. Now select and networking. We will allow these three. After that, okay, everything right. Now create the virtual machine. After creating the virtual machine, you have to add here VPC net. Go to VPC network and add firewall. Click on firewall. Now create firewall rule like three dots. Then create firewall rule. Now here will have to add no machine dash fw. Description will be same. You can check. Control C, Control V. Now don't change anything here. Now go to down. Now target text again no machine dash fw. Now source IP4 ranges. You have to type this one, this 0001, 0.0.0.0/0. Okay. Now here allow the TCP and put the value 4000 and then create. I am not creating it as I have created before. You can see that no name is already in use. Okay, after creating it, just you have to click create. After creating it, go back to virtual machines like here compute engine and virtual machine instances. So wait a minute. Yes, this Avox is in running. You have to just open it by SSH. So now guys, as you can see, the virtual machine is running. Now we can get to our GitHub building custom ROM here. I will put the link in description, and here you will get the direct commands, so you don't have to write them on your own one by one. So here you can also see the without video, you can see these lines and you can make your work. So I will copy this sudo apt command to upgrade and update all the things, all the software in it, for example anything. Now click Y, enter. So guys, everything is being updated, all the software that is available in it, we have updated that one, all the packages वगैरह anything. Now we have to use this command sudo. Sudo is for super permission, that you have got the root permission, and this is for the virtual machine, like we have no, I mean graphical user interference, like we will screen share on this device, from that device over to the virtual machine we got. We will not use terminal, we will use graphical. So we just have to copy and paste here and enter. Click on Y. I will cut the video till it completed. So the process is done. Now we have to add user here. This command is to add user. Like we have to sudo add user. Now what you will name the user? Let me name it Avox. Enter. New password. We will enter password anything what you want. We will Avox. Let's take it Avox. Retype the password is shorter than. Okay, Avox. Full name nothing. Enter. We just entered this. Yes, the information is correct. Okay, the user has been added, and now we will give the root permissions to the user. Just copy paste this, and here change this username to the username that you filled before. Like here I filled Avox. Okay, Avox, enter. Now we will get to the directory. As you can see, I have written there also. Yes, we got to Avox. Now we have to check whether the password is filled or not, anything what you want to say. You have to search for password authentication here, like this. Yes, there is the password authentication. Yes, it should be yes, and permit empty password should be no. Okay, now everything is right. If you have the password is the thing is no, then you have to just copy and paste this one command if the password authentication is no. And now search for password authentication here. See where there is the password authentication. Now you will have to remove this hash, and this there will be no, and you have to change it to yes. Like let me show you. Here we go. Here instead of yes, there will be no. You have to cut that and write yes. Okay, then Control O to write out, then enter, then Control X. So Control X I have entered. After that, we will have to install the no machine to screen share here. So I will search here in the new tab no machine. So here we get the no machine. Now we will click on 3 lines, download no machine for Linux. As we have installed Linux on this virtual machine, we will now use Linux. Here you will use this one and deb file, no machine for Linux deb. Now we will click download. After clicking download, I will just wait a minute, just pause this one and copy the link. After copying the link, wget to install, I mean download the file on the Linux and then enter, and then paste the link and then enter. So you can see it is being installed. Now we will just cancel this one. In no machine, now we will have to use this one command. As you can see, this one is always updated, so just copy and paste this one to install. We have now we have downloaded, then now we will install in the system. So just paste it and then enter. So this work is done here, and now we will install on the operating system where you are. Just click on download now and it will download on your software. So now you can see we have done everything. Now we just have to, what is this actually here? Okay, just reboot, just leave reboot. Just cross this one and then open these virtual machines, then pause this one, stop. So after stopping, wait, let it stop. So as you can see, the virtual machine is stopped, and then you have to click on its name, like here, Avox. I have clicked here. Now edit, click on edit, and you have to add that firewall rules that you have created just a few minutes ago. Like here, network tags, and here type that no machine dash fw, no machine dash fw, so that the machine, no machine, the app we installed get the network access all the time. Anything you can say. Now click on save. As it is edited, now we can start the virtual machine. Like here, start slash resume start. Okay, as it is being started, we have to install no machine on our software, so that so that the screen share is completed on our device. Now next, click on next. I accept the agreement. Next. Here we can use anywhere. I will use this one. Yes, D no machine. Okay, here. Okay, next. So as you can see, no machine is installed. Then click finish. To complete the setup, must restart your computer. So we will restart later. Wait, VM. Okay, the Evox has been started. You have to copy this one line. How to access this one. So we have to just, I didn't see that. So we have to just copy this one. Click on copy to clipboard, and I will be back after restarting my computer. As you can see, the prompt came to restart my computer. So okay, I will add the rest of video. My computer. Now we will copy this one. Copy to clipboard. Now we will open no machine here. After opening no machine, we will add name anything you can, but just I will let it Avox. Now host that we copied here paste. Port should be 4000, as you can see here already. Now add. After adding, double click on it to open it. So you click OK. Now username as we made there Avox, and password as I told you Avox. Avox was the password. Save this so that we don't have to enter this again and again. After always create, yes, yes. Now after doing all these things, we will now set up the build environment on the virtual machine. We can use also the terminal interface, but that would be not easy to tell you how to make for the first time. So you just okay, skip for now. Yes, we don't have to update anything now. No, don't send. Next, next, done. Okay, as you can see, we have got access into our virtual machine. Let me remove these so that every time we open, we don't have to do much practice. Anything you can say here. Add this terminal. Add to favorite. Now I will first open the settings here and then for me just appearance. Okay, we have to go here power and screen blank, just set it to never and then close this one, don't upgrade. Okay, now yes, we have got into, now we will open the terminal here. After opening terminal we have to just go to our, like this one, how can I access to this one, yeah. Now we will first of all, wait a minute. Like we have first step has been completed. We will now make here ZRAM. Install the ZRAM so that so that what so that the process doesn't get killed itself. Sometimes the process gets killed because lack of RAM. So we will add some ZRAM. Also, it will increase the building time. No, decrease the building time and increase the building speed. So just enter these commands and password AVOX, enter. Okay, we will install ZRAM tools. As you can see, I have already typed everything here. So yes, the process is completed. We will enter this to configure the ZRAM, the size and the type of ZRAM. Okay, we just have to remove the hashtag, like here. Wait a minute, hashtag, and here we will use ZSTD. It gives good compression ratio, as you can search on Google or you can search others that fit you, that what would be the algo in ZRAM. Now we will remove the hashtag first of all and increase the percent size 75, or what you got, let me choose here 79, anything you want. If you are using size, then don't then put hashtag before p. Size is in MB, how much ZRAM, and the percent is like we have got 32 gigs of RAM, so 79% of 32, so it will be around 26 or 27 GB ZRAM will be installed. So just remove hashtag before priority also, remove, then control O. Okay, then enter, then control X. Okay, ZRAM has been installed. If you are using on Google Cloud virtual machine, then many things will be not installed, so it will fail to start ZRAM. You have to just go to install kernel modules, then just copy here and paste here, and after enter. Okay, so now it has been installed. We will now load ZRAM manually. Okay, though, so the modules has been installed. We will load ZRAM manually. Just copy and paste it. You just have to copy and paste. And once you do 2 to 3 times, you will get to know what are these uses. Okay, just paste, and you can also see here what is the use. If it doesn't show ZRAM, then you have to load manually. After loading, then you can start. Okay, just start now. Here, paste and enter. As you can see, there is no error. Then you can check how much ZRAM has been installed. Swap on by this command. See, 24.8 GB of ZRAM has been installed. Okay, our second step has also been completed. We will now go to third step, which is setting build environment. So we need some tools to make custom ROM, and a guy, Akhi, sorry, wait a minute, I forgot his name, and also I don't know how to pronounce. So yes, the name is Akhil Narang. He made it easy for us. Like he made a GitHub repository and edit those files, whole files, and we just have to copy and paste commands like this one. This is to platform for platform tools. Just enter it. Okay. After that, unzip the platform tools that you have installed as of now. See, this is a zip which we have downloaded just now. Now we will unzip the platform tools. Then we will just go to it and start this one. We have to just add this one. Yeah, like just go to at the end. Now right click, paste. After adding, just click on, wait a minute. Okay, now just click on Control O to save this in. We have to add platform tools in our system, that we have platform tools to know our system, that they don't have to search there. We will have to, what I have to say, just copy and paste next one. We have told the directory where the platform tools are at the moment. Now just after doing these commands, we will install the build packages from Akhil Narang. Just copy and paste. Enter. Okay, everything has been done. So yes guys, the work has been done, and if you have got any errors, you can ask me on Telegram in my channel or group, whatever you say. And if you're asking about these things, why are these copy pasting? This is just to set up build environment, and you don't have to think of it anymore, like what you are thinking, why we are doing this. You just have to copy paste as of now. Then I will just here, like there was evolution X, we have to rename to whatever you are making your ROM, or whatever folder, anything you can make it anything. It doesn't depend on anything. You can name your name here. Just enter, click on enter. The folder will be made, directory will be made, anything in the home directory. Okay, now install the repo command. We will just copy and paste this one. Enter. Okay, now we will configure the names for git, like paste here. Okay, now your name, instead of your name, you will add the username in your GitHub profile. Like here, I have Royal Chart. Oh wait. Now like email, also email, we have to enter email. What we are using on our GitHub profile. Yeah, SHEO. Okay, so I have entered my Gmail. Now we have just to click enter. Okay, this has in the system we have been verified that this is my username and this is my email ID, so that when we sync the source from the ROM, we don't have to enter this again. Like we have to cd to change directly to the, like we will enter cd first of all. Like we have now gone to home directory from scripts. We were in scripts. Now click on cd and then evokes the folder we made. Cd evokes. Yes, we have got into evokes. Now you will. I have using this one. Like what I have to say. I was using evox, so I have to enter these commands. Like for your ROM, you have to, let me tell you. You have to go to evolution X manifest. Sometimes there will be Android named here, anywhere on the GitHub profile of the ROM that you are making. So we are making evolution X, now going to manifest, and then this is Android 15, 14, Android 15 QPR1. This is the Android 15 latest one. So we will just initialize the repo, copy, Wait a minute. What I'm doing here. Okay. So I will just paste it. And after that we can use dash 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 depth one to save the space and internet. Dash depth one is like we are using the latest commits, like the last commit was 3 days ago, and in this commit what was the changes and what is the latest thing, as what I have to say is the latest one, what is on the what I mean to say is like we are not syncing the history of the ROM. Like if we sync the history, we can change the commits to that one. We can also install the history later, but we don't need that. So I am just using the dash dash space dash dash depth one. Enter this line. Okay. After the git repo, then click on enter. Okay, it is initializing. We will just click Y, enter. Okay, repo has been initialized. As you can see, our identity has been, here is our identity that we entered before. Okay, if it is wrong, then you can rerun the repo with config name and then use your name, right name, the right one. Just okay. After that, you have to sync the repo. Just copy and paste this one. You will get this on your the ROM manifest where you are making it a profile. Just copy and paste command from there. Just paste it this one, and this will take time. So after this, what I have to do is this. Okay, so I will cover the rest of the process in other video. Just it will take time. You have to wait, or you can just close this one. It will happen in background. Okay, so this is for the now. We will make next video for the device trees. Like we have many things to do now.